Just don't, less bodies in there is easier.
Leyland. He needs to stay. Okay, so you know what they're gonna come in and do, okay? They're gonna take their clothes, they're gonna take pictures, they're gonna take stops. It's like female deputy. Do you want
Oh, they might be looking for this. Are y'all looking for this?
They're already recording.
Red light's on.
Oh, I gotcha.
no, so if you can do you want to stay? Okay. So she's gonna let me stay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay. I understand. So you're like recording now.
You have to do all that, and then I got some thoughts about later.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, we will.
Okay, Ashley, I'm Detective Flonzinski. I'm with the Manatee County Sheriff's Office Homicide Unit. I know that we haven't talked yet, and we're not going to be taking a statement from you. That's fine. I have a search warrant, okay? And your attorney's here. I'm going to give it a copy to both of you so you guys can read it, but I'm going to actually read it to you first. Do you understand? Okay. I need a yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to answer verbally so that
Yeah,
okay,
we are recording.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
That's fine. You're under a lot of stress, and I totally understand that. This is one of the most trying times probably in your life. So if you have questions, ask. If you want to talk to your attorney privately, just tell me. I'll be more than happy to leave the room. I'll turn the recording off. You can say whatever you want to say. But no one can stop this process, just so you know, because it is a search warrant. All right? You can't refuse it. If you do refuse it, there's actually a charge for that. It's called obstruction to a search warrant. But everything is going to be laid out. There's going to be no reason for you to refuse anything. If you have any questions, please just ask, okay? Because I'm more than happy to share and to talk about anything that I can. All right? Circuit Court of the 12th Circuit, 12th Judicial Circuit in Manatee County, Florida. Search warrant. In the name of the state of Florida, to all singular, the sheriffs of the state of Florida and their deputies, commissioners of the Florida Department of Law Enforcement and his designees, municipal police officers acting within their jurisdiction, and state attorney investigators. Whereas I have received an affidavit and application for a search warrant on this date by the affiant, Detective Garrett Michael Plonzinski of the Manatee County Sheriff's Office, and whereas I have examined the facts set forth in support of said application for a search warrant, and whereas the facts have caused me to certify and find that there is probable cause to believe that the laws of the state of Florida relative to Florida State Statute 78204 sub 2, murder, have been violated, and the instrumentalities of said crime or evidence relevant to proving said felony may be found within the human body described in the application, and said application is incorporated herein by reference. Therefore, these presents are to command you with the proper and necessary assistance in daytime or nighttime, on Sundays or on holidays, as the exigencies of the occasion may require, and use any force necessary to diligently search a human being identified as the suspect, and by the following: name, Ashley Christina Benefield. Benefield, I'm sorry, I apologize. Benefield. Race, white. Date of birth, 12/5/91. Sex, female. Height, 5'9". Hair, black. If it's brown, I'm sorry, I didn't get a chance more than a glimpse to see you. Eyes, brown. Social Security. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Address currently located at the Manatee County Sheriff's Office, Criminal Investigation Division Office. On the basis of the foregoing facts, affiant believes the following evidence may be obtained from Ashley Benefield and would be necessary in this investigation. 1, buccal swabs containing human DNA. Now that's going to be swabs taken from your mouth, okay? 2, any and all clothing currently being worn by Ashley Benefield to include socks, shoes, shorts, shirt, and bra. 3, any and all jewelry currently being worn by Ashley Benefield. 4, swabs from Ashley Benefield's extremities to include her hands, arms, wrists, and neck to be tested for trace or transferred DNA that may indicate a struggle took place prior to the victim's death. 5, full body photos of Ashley Benefield. If any of same be found, you are hereby authorized to seize and secure same and make a return of your doing under this warrant within 10 days of the date thereof. You are likewise to give a proper receipt for said items and to deliver a copy of this warrant to the person from whom the items are taken or the person in charge of the human body wherein the items were found. You are further directed to take said items into evidence and bring before me any other court any other court having jurisdiction. And I'm sorry, I can't read it because there's actually print over it that the judge made. It's there. Witness on my hand the official seal of this date, 9/27/2020 in Manatee County, Judge Gilbert Smith. Okay. It's for you. We're going to start with photographs. Okay. Do you have any questions so far?
I do not. She is not obviously going to object in any manner because it is a search warrant that is enforceable, but you're not waiving any legal argument that may present itself in the future to anything in the warrant.
Ashley, can you please stand up? Now let me ask you this, ma'am. Does she have any injuries that you're aware of right now that we should photograph in detail?
In observing her, not based on any privileged information or statement, I noticed that there are injuries on her wrists, there's an injury on her stomach, and there are injuries on her legs. The injuries on her wrists and stomach are scratches. She does appear to have some redness and raised here, and then the bruising that's on her legs.
Ashley, are you able to show me, without showing me, obviously, your chest or your pelvic region, anything on your stomach that we would want to photograph in detail?
And now I'm seeing she has stuff over here as well.
Yep, okay.
Okay. I'm going to back out and let you...
Yep. Allergic to latex. These aren't latex, these are nitrile. And I can show you that. Powder-free nitrile, okay. I'm gonna close the door to give us some privacy, if that's all right.
Yeah.
Ashley,
yeah.
is it okay if I stay in here with you? Okay.
What do you need?
For the record, we're going to pause the recording at 12:09,